Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer XRP from Uphold to your Ledger wallet in 2025. Whether you're looking to secure your crypto or just manage your assets better, this step-by-step process will have you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both your Uphold account and Ledger device ready. Update your Ledger firmware and the XRP app on it for smooth sailing. Security is key in crypto, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Open your Uphold app or website and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and find your XRP balance. Click on it to access the withdrawal or send options. Next, on your Ledger device, connect it to your computer via USB and open the Ledger Live app. Go to the Accounts section, and if you haven't already, add your XRP account. This will generate a unique wallet address. Copy that address carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer. Back on Uphold, select Withdraw or Send for your XRP. Paste the Ledger wallet address into the recipient field. Double-check the address to ensure it's correct. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Enter the amount you want to transfer, keeping in mind any network fees, which for XRP are usually pretty low. Hit Confirm on Uphold, and you'll get a transaction summary. Review it one last time, then approve the transfer. On your Ledger device, you'll be prompted to verify the transaction. Use your device's buttons to confirm it. Once the transfer is initiated, it should only take a few minutes for the XRP to appear in your Ledger wallet, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your transaction status through a blockchain explorer like XRP Scan. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred XRP from Uphold to Ledger. Remember, always prioritize security by using hardware wallets like Ledger for your long-term holdings. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.